Hello everyone, today I will show you 4 ways to open Windows Terminal. Method 1, using the search bar, press Windows plus S, type Windows Terminal, and hit Enter. Press Windows plus S, type Windows Terminal, and hit Enter. Method 2, pin Windows Terminal to the taskbar. Open Windows Terminal. Right-click its icon on the taskbar and select Pin to Taskbar. Method Dre, use Windows keyboard shortcuts. Method Dre, use Windows keyboard shortcuts. If Windows Terminal is pinned to the first position on the taskbar, press Windows plus 1 to open it. If it's in a different position, use Windows plus corresponding number. Method 4, open from Windows Explorer. Press Windows plus E to open File Explorer. Method 4, open from Windows Explorer. Right-click on the folder you want to open. And that's it. 4 simple ways to open Windows Terminal. Hope you find this helpful.